Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is April 17. We are looking at the chart of the day, Nvidia. Here is 30 minutes time frame. We can see we are now rallying in an impulsive structure. Alright, and we finished with one with two here, and then now looking for further upside pullback, should find support in 3711 for continuation higher. The last move here a little bit choppy and sideways, typical of what looks like a wave 4, and then we should be extending higher once we complete this sideways consolidation here. Looking at the RSI, we do see a divergence in the RSI already, so that means actually it's kind of a little bit risky to keep chasing the upside because divergence has already been observed. That means basically that we could actually, if you look at the 4-hour, here's the 4-hour. I'm going to copy the 1 and the 2 in the 4-hour. Because divergence has been observed, what that means is that you can always change the count so that this cycle is finished. Right? Now, if you take a look at the 4-hour, no divergence at the peak still. But in the 1-hour, you can see divergence. So in the 4-hour, suggests that we could still be in the wave 3 right now because there's no divergence. Now, once we complete that, we get a 4. Okay, we got a 4, and then we got a 5 higher before we finish this cycle. Okay, before we finish, and then we will get a 3 pullback to correct that entire 5 waves before we extend higher again. So if you want to be safe, you wait for the larger degree pullback if you want to buy because the rally is impulsive. If you want to be aggressive, you can try to buy the dips in this degree. Okay, now shorter than that, now this is obviously a lot more risky, chasing this degree. But I think if you want to be more aggressive, 4 in red, you can try. If you want to be conservative, then you wait for even a bigger pullback, which is this correction here, before looking potentially for a buying opportunity in 3.7. Now, if we are correcting this, it can go to 40% correction, 50%, 60%. It's pretty common when you correct a cycle. Okay. Now, eventually on the daily time frame, we're looking for new all-time high. Eventually, right? This rally is impulse. We finish this correction. You can see clearly this correction is corrective. It's not an impulse at all. 1, 2, 3, right? And on top of that, Nasdaq, S&P already break to new all-time high. So Nvidia has not. This is the all-time high, but it will. It should, right? So this impulsive rally might still extend a little bit upside to finish a 5 ways up, right? Finish 3 in red, 4 in red, 5 in red, and then once that 5 ways up is complete, we should be getting a bigger pullback in 3 ways, correcting the rally from March before higher again. So overall, there is no bearish view at all here, right? Basically, yes, the pullback can get a little bit bigger here and there, but overall, it should be bullish against this low in the March here, right? And any pullback should find support in 3 swing or in 7 swing for upside continuation. Alright guys, so that's the update for today guys. As always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14-day trial. The link is in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time and have a nice day everyone.